everybody. This is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. I'm very excited to have Akash Rathod with Flowserve with us. Akash, why don't you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you, Becca. My name is Akash Rathod. I'm the industry marketing leader for water and chemicals. I've been with Flowserve for more than 10 years, and I'm based here in Irving, Texas. Water is really near and dear to me. I grew up in a region which was having a lot of water scarcity. Fast forward to today, United Nations predicts that more than 1.8 billion people will actually be living in a water stress area. So this is really important, and because of climate change and just plain scarcity of fresh water availability. And I'm really proud to be part of the solution, as water is an important, vital need for life.
Yes, it definitely is vital for life, and it's definitely great to have that passion and then know that that passion reflects in what you're doing. Now, as you know, October is all about water, wastewater because of WEFTEC. So how would you say that Flowserve is impacting this space for the better?
Yeah, absolutely. So Flowserve has been in the water industry for many decades, and with the month of October, there are special events such as the WEFTEC in New Orleans. We'll be participating in that. We also have the IDA, which happens every 2 years in Australia. So we'll be present over there as well. We are going to be launching new exciting products for the water industry. We constantly look at our portfolio and upgrade it, as well as launch new products. So that'll be a great event for us to show what we have to serve the water industry. And we, as you know, we play in most of the segments of the water industry. Like, we have products for water management, we have for wastewater and desalination, and also agriculture and irrigation. We also have for flood control, which is our CVP pumps. So that's, we used to have our CVP pumps under the brand of Stork, which used to be a Flowserve brand, and we still own the design for those flood control pumps.
That's awesome. And definitely, I know that Flowserve is in really all aspects of the water industry. And it's great to hear a little teaser too about a new product coming up the pipeline. Now, how would you say that you're able to best support water professionals in their everyday roles?
Yeah, I think the water industry is facing every day new challenges, and energy consumption is one of them. As you may know, like, more than 40% of the operating cost for what water facility is energy consumption. So it's an important area for the operational managers, and Flowserve has constantly optimized the solution. So we have highly efficient products, and most of it beats the Department of Energy standards. So that's one area that we are really excelling in. And secondly, we also happen to be having a broader portfolio where we can become a single source supplier and meet the standards that is required for water, like the NSF certified standards. And then aftermarket and services is also pretty critical. Water plants are normally have to run 24/7, and Flowserve has quick response centers, which basically are in close proximity of our customers, and we are able to serve them with a quick turnaround. And an exciting part is we recently launched also an IoT solution for monitoring, remote monitoring, and predictive analytics capability. So we tailored that for the industry, and our strength really lies with our people who have been in this industry for a very long time and have decades of experience with it.
Yeah, you guys definitely do have a lot of thought leadership on your team and throughout the company itself. So that's, it's always great to see, as, for us as a resource for the industry, and being able to share all of that awesome stuff out to our audience. It's great to see. And, why don't you talk about a product, service, or technology that's really making an impact for these professionals?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we have a very large install base of our vertical turbine pumps and split case pumps. We also have offered, as I mentioned, about this concrete volute pumps. We upgraded our design to have a fish friendly impeller design. And one of our largest plants in the world, in Netherlands, utilizes Flowserve pumps. We also recently have launched the IoT Red Raven offering for water, as I mentioned there, which basically helps operators, prevent unscheduled breakdowns or shutdowns, and optimize on energy consumption, and alert on preventive maintenances. So yeah, we have a broad portfolio, and then we also have launched the seals products, which are NSF certified as well. So really serving all the needs across the flow control area. And as you might already know, our Limitoke brand used for automation, and the actuators are really well known in the industry. So
yes. Yeah, you definitely have a lot of different things, kind of like you said or a little bit earlier, of a one-stop shop for everybody.
Yeah.
So Akash, why don't you tell people the best way to connect with you and Flowserve?
Sure. So I think the best way is to visit our newly launched website. It's been upgraded. There's a ton of material on water management on our website in the industry segment. And there's also a contact form where people can fill in that, and our customer service representative will be in touch quickly. We on social media, we have presence through LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channel. We have more than 250,000 followers on LinkedIn. So we constantly monitor and communicate product updates on those. So people can engage with us there as well. And then, visit us at trade shows. There's nothing better to see face to face. So you can connect in person at WEFTEC or IDA.
Yes, and definitely if you are at any of those shows, go see Flowserve. You'll definitely want to stay tuned for a launch coming up as well. And again, any content that you would want to get from them additionally, you can check out their website. So Akash, thank you so much for your time. I'm really looking forward to WEFTEC.
Thank you, Rebecca. Thanks for having me.